Your biome shape is defined by a set of anchor points in local space, so you can easily change their overall location using the transform gizmos. To edit your biome shape, click on the Edit Anchors in the inspector. In the Scene view, use the gizmos to move the anchor points. To add a new anchor, hold Shift and click. It will add a new point in between the two nearest ones. To remove an anchor, hold Control and click on it. Once done, click on End Editing Anchors. You can also use the Transform tool to rotate and scale the biome. To set the biome to predefined shape, click on the arrow next to the Edit Anchors button, then select Square, Circle, or Hexagon. To make your biome to cover a single tile or the entire scene, use the Snap to button.